Why does Franc exist?
Well, this is an easy one. Franc exists to make investing and saving simple and easy for everyday South Africans.
Franc exists to help people, and Franc is like a good entry point for that for people who don't really know about investing.
Most investing apps are pretty scary and not intuitive, and Franc needs to change that.
Franc exists to make saving and investing simple and possible for everyone.
So I believe Franc exists to tackle the investment barrier because there's a lot of different investment options that you can make. So it's very, very inclusive.
Especially people who don't really have access to being able to save and invest their money.
Franc exists because the world of investing and even sometimes saving can be very complicated.
Franc is there to educate users and also to allow them to invest and save towards their goals.
Steeped in jargon and fees, and we really wanted to cut through all of that.
What makes Franc different?
I think what makes Franc different is it doesn't just give you the options to invest in, it also gives you the ability to learn about investing.
Our main goal has always been to try and make investing accessible for everyone, even if they have very limited financial background.
It's not just a saving and investing app, it's a place where you can learn. And now with the new addition of Hustle, it's suited for sole proprietors and freelancers as well.
It really opens up doors for people who generally don't have access.
So I think what makes Franc different is the fact that you can access so many things all in one app on your phone.
So Franc aims to teach people about investing and saving money, while most apps just give you the tools to just invest, but they don't teach you anything.
I think what makes Franc different is the simplicity of it.
It's super easy and simple to get started.
How have you grown at Franc?
I've grown at Franc because now I do look at investment as a long-term thing, not something that you are looking to like reap your rewards immediately.
So Franc, I've learned a lot about software development that they don't teach you in uni.
Coming straight into this role from university, I've learned time management, which is the most important thing, especially in a startup company.
Wow, I've grown immensely at Franc. I've had to work on things like product development, to marketing campaigns, to billboards, to paid media campaigns. It's been a huge career learning curve.
So I started at Franc fresh out of varsity, and I wasn't really sure what career path that I wanted to go into. So working at Franc in different departments has really made me grow and truly find myself.
Franc has helped me learn so much about investing and the investing options. They really care about helping people and teaching people about investing.
What's your favorite Franc product?
My favorite product has to be the retirement annuity. So it's actually something I didn't have set up before, so it was something that I learned while working on it.
Personally, my favorite Franc product is probably the tax-free savings account.
It's a tax-free savings account.
My favorite thing about Franc is the fact that your investments are goal-based.
I really like the shared goals, so you can collaborate with other people.
I'd say the shared goals.
My favorite Franc product is savings goals because I enjoy the fact that you're able to collaborate with your friends or peers and save and also see your progress in real time.
How has Franc changed how you think about money?
Wow, since I've started at Franc, it's really completely revolutionized the way that I think about not just money, but wealth and financial freedom.
Franc has made me a lot more wary about just throwing away money and made me save and invest a lot more.
I think before Franc, I actually knew very little about investing and the investing options. Through the Franc Academy, it also gives you a way to learn and grow as an investor.
Working at Franc has taught me that I actually need to be more intentional about it, like actually set goals, and money is a tool to better build my wealth.
Franc has changed how I think about money quite a lot in terms of, again, knowing that financial freedom isn't such a far-fetched idea. It's something that is achievable. I think that's how Franc's changed how I think about money.